Hello everyone and welcome to Sources classes. So in this video we will be continuing our discussion with respect to the VA section of the SSC CHSR 2015 paper. So what we will be doing is basically we'll take a look at a certain questions that we have seen come across the previous years of the paper, and particularly in the VA section. We'll take a look at the question in front of us, and also we'll try and understand the approach involved for solving the same, so that whenever we come across this sort of question further down the line in any kind of examination, we are easily able to solve them. Okay, so having said that, we'll focus on the question in front of us. The question that we have basically in front of us are pertaining to the active and passive voice kind. Okay, so what we will be doing is basically we'll take a look at this question and try and understand how to go about solving this kinds of question whenever we come across them. So let's focus on the question. A sentence has been given in active or passive voice. Okay, out of the four alternative suggestions, select the one which best expresses the sentence in either passive or active voice. Okay, so let's focus on the first question, that is 91. Take the medicine. Okay, take the medicine. This sentence is an active voice sentence. Okay, so now we have to convert this particular sentence into its passive form. Okay, so let's take a look at all the options that are available. You are requested to take medicine. Okay, one thing, the object you, it is absent from our active statement, so we cannot unnecessarily add any kind of object. Okay, so this is wrong. Let the medicine be taken. Yes, this could be, because this is an ambiguous statement. If we understood that we are talking to a certain person and we haven't really added any object, so this could be a probable answer. The medicine must be taken by you. Again, we cannot simply add this. There's no specific object, so again it's wrong. The medicine is to be taken by you. Again, leaving all that fact aside, this particular addition makes it wrong as well. So option B is our correct answer as far as 91 is concerned. So I hope this is clear. Now, having said that, let's move to question number 92. I cannot trust him anymore. Okay, this is again an active voice, an active sentence or active voice. Okay, now let's go ahead in subsequent. He cannot be trusted by me anymore. Yes, object again becomes the subject here. By me, I comes here, and yes, it fulfills the criteria. So this can be a probable answer, but then again, let's continue our discussion further. He could not be trusted by me anymore. Could not is basically what, associated with some kind of uncertainty. So we cannot possibly change the form of verb here. So again, this is wrong. He may not, again uncertain, wrong. He cannot trust by me. He cannot trust. The usage of this form of verb is wrong. It could have been trusted by me anymore. So this is also wrong. So hence option A is the correct answer. So hopefully these questions are clear to you. So if you have any kind of doubt with regards to the way we approach this question and eliminated each option, kindly go through the video and try and connect with the things that we have tried to say, the justification behind cancellation of the options as well. Okay, and hopefully it will be clear. So having said all of that, in case you are looking to get yourself a detailed solution of the entire question paper, be it your QS section, the LRDI section, or the entire BRC section, feel free to connect with us. So what you can do is that you can actually go through the description section of the video, wherein you will find a bunch of details like if you can visit our website, the email ID, basically the website link is provided there as well. You can email us on our email ID, or you can call, text, or WhatsApp us on the numbers provided. So in case you have any kind of doubts with respect to your exam preparation, any kind of subject-wise doubt, any kind of topic-wise doubt, or if you just need guidance in general towards your exam preparation, so feel free to connect with us. We will be more than happy to help you out in your pursuit towards successful competitive exam results. Okay. So with all this said and done, in case you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel, so that we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. And with all that said, I'm signing off. Thank you so much.